Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a project manager in Notion. So you want to create a board to manage your project? Let me show you. Just create a new page right here. Once you click on New Page, you need to click on this database at the bottom right here. Once you click on Database, you're going to see Empty Database, and right here under Suggested, you're going to see Projects. So this is the Project Manager. Select it, and now you're going to see Customize Page. You can just click on Continue. You can adjust all this later. Now you can also select all these. So let me just click on Done, and it should now be created, as you can see. You can just move it anywhere, and you can rename them at the top right here. So you can click on these three dots, and you can edit the group. You can also delete it. Easy and straightforward. You can add more, as you can see, and it is very easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe. So you can also add new. Thanks for watching.